Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, spice up shoulder day with a big bouquet of Delta Rows on the path of least resistance.
You will need 3 leashes to perform a Delta Row. Find a sturdy metal railing 3 to 5 feet high with smooth, round, horizontal bars. Clip 2 of the leash clips to each other. Clip the 3rd clip to one of the other handles to make one treble-long strap with a handle at each end. Wrap the middle leash behind your waist. Feed the leash from your left hip flat under the railing to the left of the support bar. Then grab that handle with your right hand. Now put the handle from the right of your hip flat under the rail to the right of the support bar and grab it over the rail with your left hand. Put your hands through the handle so they tighten around your wrists. Lean back, turn your palms up and pull them back to your armpits, always keeping your shoulders down. Squeeze your elbows together behind your back to focus the resistance in your rear delts. Aim for a dozen reps to fill out your bouquet of Delta Rows. Check your equipment before every workout. Have a training partner spot you and always leave the gym nicer than you found it.
Everyone knows a muscle garden grows by tending to your Delta Rows on the path of least resistance. Thanks for always leaving the gym nicer than you found it. But please, don't throw out the subscribe button.